Are you tired of your iPhone activating voice control when you least expect it? In this video, I will show you how to turn off voice control on your iPhone and avoid those annoying, unexpected activations. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Accessibility. After that, tap Voice Control. As you can see, voice control is currently enabled. So now, in order to turn off voice control on your iPhone, tap and toggle off the switch next to voice control. And now you've successfully disabled voice control on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.